what is this shape? What is this thing? Who is this guy? Who are you?
Welcome to Rishi's Fun Learning.
Hi! Today we are going to learn colors with vinegar, soda
And balloons.
Let's start!
Where is red? Color red. Red, red, red.
Here is red, color red, 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 red.
Wow.
This is red.
Wow. Look at the noise. It's like a frog croaking. Wow. What's going on? What's going to happen? Oh. Wow, it's so big.
This is red.
Yes. Where is blue? Color blue. Blue.
Blue, blue. Here is blue, color blue, 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 blue.
There's sound. Look at the bubble. And we do one.
This is blue. Wow! The blue balloon becomes bigger and bigger.
It doesn't stop. Wow.
Oh, it looks so nice. Blue.
Wow! Where is yellow? Color yellow, 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 yellow.
This is yellow, color yellow, 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 yellow.
What in the world? Again, the frogs. Other frogs inside the balloons. Wow. Wow. It's coming out of the mouth. That water sound.
This is the yellow color.
It's still doing.
Let's call the green color.
Okay. Where is green? Color green. Green, green, green.
Here is green, color green, 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 green.
Always going to be frog because it's green and the frogs are green. Hey. Look at the bubbles.
Yes.
There's so many.
Do you know this is a science experiment?
Yes. Oh.
This is green.
Where is orange color? Orange, 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 orange.
Here is orange color. Orange, 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 orange.
The orange fruit is orange.
Yes, the orange fruit is orange.
There is an orange fruit in your hand. Oh. Those are jokers.
This is so funny. This is orange.
Orange. Where is purple color? Purple, 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 purple.
Here is purple color. Purple, 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 purple.
Seti, what is this shape? What is this thing? Who is this guy? Who are you? Who are you? This is a very big one balloon. This is so funny. Doesn't it shape like this?
This is purple.
Where is black? Color black, 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 black.
Here is black color. Black, 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 black.
Very big. Very big. Big. Get it.
Black.
Black.
Let's repeat the colors.
Red.
Blue, green, yellow, orange, purple,
Black.
black. Bye.